So today we want to talk about Ngizolalele Emsakazweni, which is this book by the legendary Makosi Khoza, that radio guy. Ngizolalele Emsakazweni ngesingisi kuthiwa I'll listen on the radio. Thanks. There's a thanks here in the quote. What a book. I think let me probably open this episode by saying, what a book. What I enjoyed the most about this book is that, like how I opened the episode, there are some serious elements in the book, but it's written with such humor. The way that you tell the story, it's your story, which made me realize how much I don't know you. I thought I knew you, but all I knew is that you've worked for DYR, you've worked for Capital Radio, East Coast Radio 702, Radio 2000, Kakasi FM. That's all I knew.
Yeah.
But I didn't know who Makosi Khoza is, and the way you tell the story, I couldn't put the book down. It's beautifully written. Really, really enjoyed this book. Ngizolalele Emsakazweni. Why the title?
Well, it's explained in the book, so you know the answer.
Yes.
But for those who haven't, it's a bittersweet story in that the sweet version is that when, I don't know if it's still done now, but I think to some extent it is, if a listener calls in to a radio station and there's a topic going on, the presenter has asked for feedback, you pick up the phone, you speak to your presenter, and then instead of umsakazi akuphendule, you say no, ngizolalela emsakazweni. As in, I'll put the phone down, and because I want to hear myself when everybody hears me, and it's I think it's a human nature thing where you want to hear people speak about you, so you become famous in that moment when your comments are the topic of discussion. Everybody's listening to your thoughts.
Sure.
So I listen on the radio. Thanks. That's really what it's about. The more serious one is where I send a shout out to a dear friend of mine, a former colleague, the late Victor Rose Jr.
Oh, yes.
Used to be on Inanda.
Yes.
Then Kakasi, and then Rise FM as well.
Yes.
I think he was co-hosting Breakfast on his last days. So he used to be my producer on Vuma FM. I was doing Breakfast.
Okay.
And there happened to be some technical issue with, I think, our software. So we had to quickly think as a producer, what happens now, right? So he said, no, we don't know how long this thing is going to take to